Good afternoon. All right, so today for math, we are learning different forms of numbers. So they are going to give you a whole bunch of examples and they're going to have you draw and also write the numbers. So if my number is 407, I'm going to draw my picture for 407. So I have 4 hundreds. It doesn't say any tens, so I'm going to I'm not going to draw any tens, but I'm going to have 7 ones. 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. So after I draw my picture, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to write how many hundreds I drew. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. No tens in my picture, so I'm going to put a 0, 0 the hero, and we had 7 ones that we drew. So then I'm going to go down and I'm going to put the value of each. So 4 hundreds is equal to 400, no tens, and 7 ones. Now I'm going to take these three numbers and I'm going to put them together to make 407. So 400 plus 0 plus 7 is 407. All right, so same thing with this picture. They show us 325. You're going to draw how many hundreds you have. We have 3 hundreds. How many tens you have? So we have 25. So we'll have 2 tens and 5 ones. Then you're going to go and write how many pictures you drew. So you drew 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 5 ones. Then you're going to write the value again. So 3 hundreds equals 100, 200, 300. Putting 300 here. Count your 10 sticks. 10, 20. And your ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to write the big number on this line. So 300 plus 20 plus 5 is 325. If you get stuck, you can always count your blocks. We have 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 321, 322, 323, 324, and 325.